Hey there, ladies and gents. My name's Mr. Boyd, and today I'll be taking you on a terrific journey through additions with millions. Now I know what you may be thinking. Million? That's a big number. That might be a tricky concept to grab a hold of. But no, it's really not. I think you have all the tools you need, and I'm going to walk you through it. Let's get started. One important concept to understand when approaching large numbers like 586,572,431 is place value. Now each number in this large spectacular guy right here holds a place. The 1 is in the ones place, the 3 is in the tens place, the 4 is in the hundreds, the 2 is in the thousands, the 7 in the 10,000s, the 5 in the 100,000s, the 6 is in the millions, the 8 is in the 10 millions, and the 5 is in the 100 millions. Now, every 3 numbers, there is a comma to help you, the young mathematician in training, understand where you should line up the numbers when adding them together. So as you have already learned through your rigorous studies in 3rd grade, when given 2 numbers, the best way to add them together is to line up the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands place like so, in columns. Now when you approach this, the best way to add is again in the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands place, combining the 2 numbers going down and reporting the sum below. So what exactly do we do when given 2 large numbers? Well, we go back to our good old friend Mr. Placeholder and line up the numbers like so. The ones place right here, the tens place, the hundreds place, the thousands place, the 10,000s place, the 100,000s place, and lastly, the millions place. And now that we have everything lined up in columns, we're ready to do some simple addition here. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7. 7. 8. 7. 6. 3. And finally, there's our answer. 863,678,777. Let's do one last problem here, just to make sure we've really got it down. 1 plus 9 equals 10. So what we do is mark a 1 up here, and the ones place in the number 10, which is where we are, is 0. So we simply bring down a 0. Now, when we add together this next column, we add the 1 to it. 1 plus 2 plus 4. 7. Then 5. Bring down our old friend Mr. Comma. We get 8. Oh, here we go again. 5 plus 6 equals 11. So, we put a 1 up here and put the other 1 down here. Now, we add together 1, 5, and 6. I think that's going to give us 12. So we put down 2 down here, and then add the 1 up there. 1 plus 2 plus 8. Well, that's going to equal 11. And then 1 plus 6 plus 7 is going to equal 14. And lastly, we're left with our answer. So when in doubt, always rely on your good old pal, Mr. Comma. He'll always hold your place, and he'll never do you wrong. I hope you've enjoyed learning some stuff today. This is Mr. Boyd, signing off.